Well, hey guys, get excited. We're headed in a few minutes to the airport. I've got my sunscreen on, a little bit of mascara. I've got layers because we are going to New York City. Woo! Today's video, I'm traveling to New York with Elta MD. This video is not sponsored, but they're sponsoring my trip and I'm flying out there to shoot with them. Content. I'm double-fisted on fluids. Of course, my coffee. I like to hydrate and caffeinate pre-airport because it's gotten too complicated to drink water in the airport. First of all, you can't bring your water in, right? We already know that, right? That's been a thing for decades now, unfortunately. We'll bring an empty bottle, fill it up at the water fountain. Let me tell you, there's something funky with the hobby airport water. I swear they make it taste bad on purpose so you'll buy a bottle of water. So that's like $8 for a little thing. No thanks. So my strategy is to hydrate in advance. Airport bound. Officially made it. With more than adequate time. I've already done a lap around the airport to get some steps in. And I just went to the bathroom and let me tell you, I had the best hand wash. Like a full alphabet's worth, all sides of the fingers, both sides of the hands, the wrist, the full alphabet. And is it just me, when you do a really good hand wash in public, like you take the time as you should, and then they have the Dyson hand dryer, I just feel like I had a little hand spot. And I followed it up with this road barrier butter after I made sure to adequately dry my hands. Feeling snazzy. Made sure to get good and dry in between the web spaces because moisture trapping there, that's really what will jack you up with hand dermatitis. Anyway, and we have a new art installation here, 2022 Julia McLaurin emoji installation. The little cowboy emoji is my favorite one. It's like very Texas, especially with the smile. This is me whenever I encounter nonsense on the internet. Friendly reminder, there's a little free library here at the airport. Of course, you know my thing, I've got to visit the free books. Dear America, Behind the Masks. 3 novels, that's a dealio. Morning Glory, Vows, The Gamble. Never heard of that. And then we have Looking Back. We have The Vine. We have England, Bloody England. Angels Are God's Helpers. We have Remarkable Guidance. Daisy's Bright Ideas. A flashlight adventure soundbook. Wow, packs a punch. And last but not least, their mistletoe matchmaker. Ooh, a Christmas romance. Steamy. Take a book, return a book. And voila, we made it. I'm all checked into my room. I'm staying at the Moxie in East Village. Do a quick room tour. We've got this kind of a interesting IKEA-esque bed setup here with, looks like a little pseudo closet. Television.
Here you'll find stories.
View.
Curate your travel senses. Amazing adventures. Incredible moments. Discover extraordinary hotels.
A telefono. Then we've got this sort of desk slash nightstand. Interesting artwork. And coming in here, we have toilet, shower, deep mook, shampoo and conditioner. All right. And here is our sink. Sinkalicious. So thank you, Elta MD, for the New York City digs for the next 2 nights. And we've got this what to know, what to do, what's happening.
Oopsie.
Guys, I got you perched on an upside down paper coffee cup. Always high tech up in here, all right? You have no idea, all right? The kind of stuff that we're finessing to get these angles. So I just got back from spending way too much time in the Strand. Love that bookstore. When I lived here, I didn't live in this particular neighborhood, so it was kind of a journey to get down here to that bookstore, but anytime I had the opportunity to go in, it was like a treat. Yeah, highly recommend checking out the Strand if you're ever in this area. I'm in the area over by where like all of the NYU dorms, I guess, are. Anyway, tonight I tried the Tier Hydro Boost Enzyme Cleansing Balm. I brought this with me. Remember, I got this with the Milky Toner in a little 2-pack in one of the advent calendars. And in contrast to the Milky Toner, which I was like, so-so, not horrible, but not like mind-blowing, and had that peppermint, which I was not about. This is doing what it's supposed to do. Nothing mind-boggling, nothing that's gonna knock your socks off, but it will take off some mascara. And then on my face, I brought this travel size version of La Roche-Posay's Tolerian Double Repair Face Moisturizer. This is very similar to CeraVe PM, but a little bit different in the consistency. I feel like it's a touch bit more emollient. Didn't bring tretinoin or any serums or anything because I just wanted to keep my travel light, but I'm coming in with the Prequel Skin Utility Gel under my eyes. This, I finished up the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Gel recently, so I'm making my way through this, because remember I reviewed this in comparison to the Cicaplast Gel. If you want a side-by-side comparison, watch that video, but this one works pretty well. really great for travel purposes because, I don't know, I always feel like when I get off of a plane, my skin is a lot more sensitive, probably because of the dry air. I don't know, just kind of maybe it's all in my head. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I have been on a plane, I want to take like a long hot shower. There's something about being on a plane, you feel like you need to be aggressive with the hygiene in the shower. Like you feel like you really need to stay in the shower a little bit longer. Does anyone else feel like there's something about the air, other people? I know it's all in my head. Like, I'm not any dirtier when I get off the plane than when I got on the plane, but I just feel like I need to stay in the shower longer. So the shampoo and conditioner in the shower smells really nice. Ooh, look at that slip. No tangles. Conditioner is doing what it's supposed to do. Look at that. That's a pretty good conditioner. Mook is the name of the brand. It smells really good. The shampoo is supposed to dual as a body wash. I'm not going to question. You know, it's that New York water too. It's really does something a little extra special to your hair. Yeah. This wide tooth comb came with my Iris Store Elite. I keep it in my travel bag, but I also have a green one that you guys see me use that watch the vlogs in my evening close out the vlog clips. That came in a gift set from Drunk Elephant. When their hair care was new on the scene, they had like a gift set that came with that comb. And I have since gone on the website because it's a really good comb. This one too. Like this particular style of comb, love. For my hair, it works really well. But it doesn't look like Drunk Elephant sells that anymore. And if you're just in the market for a comb, you know, you're not gonna invest in the Iris Store Elite just to get this. They should sell these combs on their website though. I'm sure you could get one in like a beauty supply store, but I find that really hyped up popular brushes and combs that people love, swear, and adore and like sing the praises of, I find that they don't really work that well on my hair because I've got really fine hair texture. Like my individual strands are like super fine, but I have a lot of them. So the brush and the comb, this brush is, I got this on Amazon by Dry Bar. This is pretty good, this brush. And this these combs, 10 out of 10. Anyway, I'm ready to hit the sack, wind down. Tomorrow, I have a big day. Hair and makeup in the morning, shooting content with Elta MD, who, if you've skipped the intro of this video, today's vlog is not sponsored, nor is tomorrow's vlog, but this hotel, my travel arrangements, all are thanks to Elta MD. So yeah, that's why I'm here, but always fun to bring you guys along and check out the site. So I hope you enjoyed it and that you'll come back tomorrow at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time for part 2. Maybe see some behind the scenes filming, the setup, the hair and makeup, the glam, the glitz. Anyways, guys, ooh, check out that even in this weird, these lights are kind of look like a little canteen, you know, that you carry camping, but they've got light coming out of them. Anyway, anyways, guys, I hope you're having a great weekend. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this vlog. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.